Discover the power of Jungle Scout wholesale product research, and essential for Amazon sellers aiming to excel in the competitive marketplace. In this video, we will delve into how Jungle Scout can streamline your wholesale strategy to maximize profitability and efficiency. Whether you are a seasoned seller or just starting out, learn how Jungle Scout can transform your approach to wholesale product sourcing on Amazon. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Understanding product research. Product research is the process of examining different products or niches and using various data points to determine if the product will be successful or not. When you rely solely on what you personally like rather than on hard data, you might end up choosing products that don't sell well, leading to significant financial losses. Jungle Scout simplifies this critical process by providing data-driven insights that help you make choices based on what customers actually want and what the market demands. This tool gathers and analyzes information on sales trends, customer reviews, and market competition, which are all essential for making informed decisions in the wholesale market. By using Jungle Scout, you can avoid the pitfalls of uninformed decisions and increase your chances of picking profitable products. In essence, Jungle Scout turns complex market data into actionable insights that empower you to make smarter, more profitable business decisions. Criteria for product selection. Price point strategy. Determining the right price is critical. Jungle Scout recommends setting a selling price between $20 to $50. This range is ideal because it maximizes profitability after accounting for selling and advertising fees, while keeping manufacturing costs manageable. This pricing strategy also targets impulse buyers who are more likely to make quick purchases without being overly concerned about brand loyalty. Importance of size and weight. For newcomers or those with less experience, it's advisable to focus on small, lightweight products. This approach helps keep shipping and storage costs low, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy profit margin. Jungle Scout's extensive database assists sellers in identifying products that meet these criteria, thus simplifying logistics and reducing overhead costs. Simplicity and durability. Choosing to sell simple, durable products can significantly reduce the risk of returns and customer dissatisfaction. Complex products, especially electronics, often face higher return rates and negative reviews due to potential malfunctions. Jungle Scout's review analysis tool with AI Assist provides invaluable insights into common product issues, helping sellers select items that are less likely to encounter problems. Focus on non-perishable products. Opting for non-perishable products can be more profitable by minimizing the risk linked with unsold expired goods. Jungle Scout aids in identifying high-demand non-perishable items, enabling sellers to build a sustainable inventory without the worry of expiration issues. This approach is particularly useful in the wholesale model, where large quantities of products are typically purchased and stored. Utilizing Jungle Scout for effective product research and wholesale. Jungle Scout is not just a tool, it acts as a crucial partner for any Amazon seller involved in wholesale. When you engage in wholesale, you buy large quantities of products directly from manufacturers or distributors and sell them at retail price, leveraging bulk purchase discounts. This business model is common in traditional retail but is equally effective for online sellers on platforms such as Amazon. Jungle Scout supports this approach by offering tools that help you evaluate the potential of products at a wholesale level. It ensures that you choose products that are likely to sell quickly and generate healthy profits. Product database. The product database tool by Jungle Scout enables sellers to refine their product searches using filters like price, demand, and customer ratings. This precision helps in identifying products that are not only likely to sell well, but are also viable for successful wholesale operation. By choosing products that consistently sell well and meet market demand, you ensure that your bulk purchases are justified and profitable. For instance, using Jungle Scout to select a product with steady sales throughout the year can safeguard your investment. This tool is crucial for making informed decisions that align with your business goals. Product Tracker. Jungle Scout's product tracker provides continuous monitoring of potential products, offering insights into their performance throughout the year. This tool is essential for wholesale sellers because it helps in understanding seasonal variations in product demand. By tracking these trends, you can manage your inventory more effectively, avoiding situations where you might have too much or too little stock. For example, tracking a summer product like beach towels can help you anticipate increases in demand during warmer months. Ultimately, this tool helps in making strategic decisions about when to stock up and when to scale down. Opportunity Finder. The Opportunity Finder tool in Jungle Scout is crucial for sellers seeking to enter new or less competitive market niches. It identifies trends and product areas where demand is growing but competition remains low. This early identification allows wholesale sellers to establish themselves in these niches before they become mainstream and saturated with competitors. For instance, spotting a rising trend in eco-friendly products could allow you to position your business as a go-to source before the market peaks. By capitalizing on these opportunities, you can gain a competitive edge and capture significant market share. Review analysis with AI Assist. Understanding customer feedback is key in the wholesale business, where large volumes of products are sold. Jungle Scout's review analysis tool with AI Assist examines customer reviews across any product, highlighting prevalent issues and positive feedback. This analysis helps sellers preemptively address potential problems that could affect customer satisfaction and sales. For example, if a common complaint about a gadget is its battery life, you can ensure the products you stock have reliable performance. By proactively managing product quality based on customer feedback, you can enhance your product offerings and reduce the risk of returns and negative reviews. Cost and ROI. Investing in Jungle Scout can significantly boost your wholesale business profitability. The cost of subscribing to Jungle Scout is quickly outweighed by the advantages it offers, such as risk reduction and enhanced sales through deeper market and product insights. For wholesale sellers, Jungle Scout provides the tools to accurately predict market trends and consumer demands, allowing for smarter purchasing decisions. This strategic investment not only helps in maintaining healthy product margins, but also supports long-term business growth by ensuring you stay ahead of market dynamics and consumer preferences. Conclusion. For Amazon sellers, adopting Jungle Scout can be a game changer, particularly in the wholesale business model. It offers a comprehensive approach to product research, from identifying market trends to analyzing customer feedback, ensuring that every bulk purchase is a step towards greater profitability. Take the first step towards transforming your wholesale strategy by trying out Jungle Scout today. With its robust analytics and user-friendly interface, you are not just purchasing a tool, you are investing in the future of your business. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.